To create your Bowker account, go to myidentifiers.com. In the top right-hand corner, click on the text that says Sign in/register. A new page will open and there is a section for Create a new account. Click on the blue button that says Register. A new page will open and show two more options. Under the option for New Bowker Customer, click on the blue button that says I am a new Bowker customer. A new page will open to collect your account details. If your business address and information is different from your personal information, you'll have an option to log that additional data. For the organization type, select the option that is right for you. If you are only publishing your own content, then you can select self-publisher or micro-publisher. If you are publishing other people's content in addition to your own, you can select publisher or micro-publisher. According to my research, this is only used for data collection purposes and does not inhibit any sales or marketing. The company name field is how your book will show as published by across all of the publishing platforms and systems. If you choose to assign your publishing venture a name other than your own personal name, be advised that Bowker's system does not check to see if that name is already assigned to another business. It is your responsibility to check the availability of any business name you wish to use and research any subsequent business decisions that need to be made, such as simply filing a DBA or forming an LLC. I also advise checking the name against the Trademark Office website at tmsearch.uspto.gov. Once you've completed this section, select the applicable checkboxes and submit the form by clicking on the green button that says, I accept, create my account. Make sure to log your credentials in the provided form, which will be stored in your client portal for any future reference. A new page will open and it will have a small green banner toward the top of the screen that says, Thank you for registering. Scroll down and select the blue button that says, Get your ISBNs now. A new page will open and will display your ISBN purchase options. Select the option that is best for you and add it to your cart. A pop-up window will appear, and its purpose is to upsell you on other products. You do not need to make any other selections. You only need to purchase the ISBNs, so select the blue button that says Go to Cart. Confirm your cart has the correct ISBN package selection, and then click on the green Checkout button. Complete the payment. After you've completed the payment, you're all done with this portion of the Bowker account setup. I will manage everything else from this point forward. If you have any questions about this content, just email me and we'll take it from there.